Call Tanisha, please. Tanisha, I understand that you're stressed out. And I know for a fact that I'm wrong. I really do want to apologize. Trust me. I know I can seem like I'm very demanding at times and controlling, but you know I love you and that's just not me. I understand if you want to take time away from me and just do what you need to do, I will be here. And when you come back, I'm going to get down on my knees and propose to you and be the man that you want me to be. I've never cheated on you. I know that there's no one else out there for me but you, Tanisha. So trust me, I will definitely be waiting for you. Okay? Play back my message, please. Yo, wash belly woman, what I'm telling you, you see man I call the phone, you can't answer the phone, you think some man I beg you nothing. As a matter of fact, I not even want to back in my life, and that man tell you, you know. About 10 girls breathe for me right now. And you see any man I see with on the road, he might get it. Zin? And you see if you open the closet, me in there. When you go into the bathroom for doo-doo, me there in there. In the toilet bowl, me there as a matter of fact. And you see if you come outside, as soon as you turn round for walk away, I me that I ask you where you go, cause me come for see you.